Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Welcome back. Let's wait for everyone to join and then we'll start.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Are you ready with your GK books?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very, very good.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
So children, now, yes,
Ma'am, we should open 39 page number.
we were on page number, let me see, 39. Yes, we were doing
Ma'am, this is
39.
GK period.
Yes, this is GK period. Which period is this? This is GK period. Isn't it?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done page number 40 and 41.
You have so many children have done so many pages in advance. Huh? That's so nice. Is GK your favorite subject? That you have done so much in advance.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
My favorite subject is GK, but I can't complete this.
Very nice. That's also interesting. That's because you love to study. Huh? Is it because you love to study? That is why you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so there are so many students left to join.
Ma'am, which page number we have to take out?
You have to take out page number 40. Now let's do page number 40. So what is given on page number 40? Geographical features. Now what are geographical features, children? Geographical features tell about a place. What geographical features can a place have? Tell me. Geographical features mean whether if we talk about any place, so that place has got
29 page.
29. What beta?
Ma'am, I do my GK work in the 49 page.
Okay, till 49 you have done. Okay. So now I'm asking, what are the geographical features? The geographical features are different oceans, mountains, seas, rivers that a place has. There are in some places we've got hills, in some places we've got rivers. So let's talk about different geographical features.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Rishabh Kumar, I have to ask something.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, when I attend the class, somebody is delete your link.
How can somebody delete my link? Phone card.
Yes, ma'am. You have sent just now when I have not attained the class when in morning your first period when I go to only this link.
I don't know, beta, but only I have the authority to delete what I have sent. Nobody else can send. Oh, nobody else can delete what I send.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's talk about the geographical features of today's chapter. See, do you know how to solve a crossword? This is a crossword given. A crossword is a kind of
Yes,
puzzle,
ma'am. Ma'am, I have
that you have to
joined late. So, ma'am, tell me what we have to do, ma'am. I have joined late.
see. Now across. What does across mean? Across means from left to right or right to left. That is across. And down. Down means from up to bottom. That is down. Now the first one I am reading out the across one. A narrow passage of water connecting two seas. Now sometimes there are two big seas that are connected.
Ma'am, which period is this?
This is your GK period.
Ma'am, on which page number?
Page number 40. Everybody open page number 40 of your GK book.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is peninsula.
It's not peninsula.
Now everybody open your book.
When there is a narrow sea that joins two big seas, that narrow sea is called a strait. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I'm reading out the the second number that is in the down column. Can you see? A piece of land surrounded by water. A piece of land. What is that land which has got water on all the sides?
Island.
Yes?
Ma'am, plateau.
Plateau, not plateau, beta. It is called island. Island. What is
Island.
island is a piece of land that
island.
has water on all sides.
Island.
Yes.
Island.
And I'm reading out the next one. Number 3.
Ma'am, please explain the spelling of first one.
Okay, the spellings of first one is STRAIT. STRAIT. Straight. Yes.
And ma'am, second one.
Second one, you have to write from top to bottom. The spelling is ISLAND. Island. S is silent.
Ma'am, one number.
आइलैंड बोलते हैं इसे.
What is an island? Island is a piece of land that has water on all its sides.
One number, two number.
Two.
A piece of land surrounded by water.
Written?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next one. Everybody has written. The next one is, now I'm reading the number 4. What is the number 4? A large steep hill. A large steep hill.
Mountain.
Mountain. Now see, where is number 4 written?
Mountain.
Yes. What is the spelling of mountain? M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N.
Mummy. Allah. Mount. P-E-N-N-I.
Written? Put your phone on mute, children. Put your phone on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Ask. Okay, I'm going to repeat. The first one that we did was a narrow passage of water connecting two seas. What is that narrow passage of water? It is called a strait. Then we have a piece of land surrounded by water.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling. Iceland. Ma'am,
Island.
please tell the Island.
What tell? What do you want to ask, beta?
Ma'am, please tell the straight spelling.
Straight spelling. S-T-R-A-I-T. S-T-R-A-I-T. That is the spelling of straight.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, who is asking what, beta? It's not straight. Okay, children, I will write in the chat box what it is. Everybody see? Straight. That is the spelling of straight. Then we have on number 2. Number 2, we have island. Can you see the spelling of island in the chat box?
Island.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then number 4 is
Mountain.
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 Then,
In
wait. Those who have done will sit quiet in the class. Nobody is going to speak. Let the children do who have not
number
done.
3 is mountain. I have some question.
Just wait, children.
What is number 3?
Number 3 is.
I have a question.
Beta, why do you speak while I am speaking? Wait for a minute. Let me just talk to children who have already asked their questions. Number 3 I haven't answered. Number 2 was island. Number 4 was mountain. Now let's come on to number 3. A piece of land almost surrounded by water or projecting out into a body of water.
Peninsula. Peninsula.
It is peninsula. A piece of
Yes,
land
ma'am.
almost surrounded by water. Okay, projecting out into a body of water. That is a peninsula. Now, who was asking me? Ask.
Ma'am, I know.
What is the spelling of peninsula? Peninsula. I have typed in the chat box, children. You can see from there.
Peninsula is
S-U-L-A.
Very nice.
Ma'am, the spelling is peninsula as PENINSULA.
Yes. Now the next one. Number 6. Let me read out number 6 here. An area of fairly level high ground. An area of a fairly high level ground. What is that called? Yes, that is called a plateau.
Desert.
What is a plateau? Plateau is relatively a higher land. It is also called a tableland.
Ma'am, Kumar, I have to ask something. Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Go, beta, go.
The spelling
And ma'am, the plateau spelling is PLATIAU. Plateau.
P-L-A-T-E-A-U. P-L-A-T-E-A-U. That is the spelling of plateau.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, in island, the S is silent.
Yes, it is silent. In the S is silent in island. Okay.
Okay,
Till
ma'am.
here, everyone has done. Everyone has done till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is the next one? The next one is number 5. Now I'm reading out number 5. A low area of land between hills or mountains. What is that?
Valley.
Yes.
Valley.
That is valley. It is called valley.
Ma'am, valley. Ma'am, valley.
V-A-L-L-E-Y.
The spelling of valley is V-A-L-L-E-Y.
Yes, V-A-L-L-E-Y.
Ma'am, the spelling of valley is VALLEY.
Yes, V-A-L-L-E-Y is the spelling of valley.
Valley.
Then, in the end, we have a very large expanse of sea. What is a very
Ocean.
large?
Ocean.
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 8th number is
Ocean.
ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean.
Ma'am, the spelling of ocean is OCEAN. Ocean.
Yes, very good. Ocean.
The spelling of ocean is O-C-E-A-N.
Very nice. Then on number 7, I forgot to read out number 7, which is a broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inwards. That is called a bay. Bay. It is called bay. B-A-Y.
Ma'am, bay.
Yes, it is
Ma'am,
called.
bay spelling is B-A-Y.
Very nice. Now, children, let me. Everybody will sit quietly. I'll call out your names. Let me know if I miss your name. Okay? Everybody listen to your names carefully, and in the end, if I have missed your name, please tell me. Akhya Goyal, Akshudha Tiwari, Arhan, Arkan Noor, Arshika, Arsalan, Kanav, Kanishk, Parmeet, Minha, Shaurya Tyagi, Yuvraj Singh, Yuvraj Gupta, Stuti Khandelwal, Rishika, Mokshit, Shaili, Bhavya, Sarthak, Ansh Patel, Suprema, Pratyaksh, Yatharth, Arav Gupta, Arshika. Arshika, I have taken twice. Okay. Naisha Roy, Virat Rajani, Arsalan Khan, Shaili also I have taken twice. Jaskaran, Akshat, Rishabh Kumar, Rishika, Sarthak, Manya, Panshul, Ansh Patel, Manas Garg, Vamika, Abhineet, Adhya Singh, and Ashutosh. Have I missed anyone's name?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I.
Yes, tell
Ma'am,
your
I.
name. Tell your name.
Daksh Pratap Singh. Ma'am, Harsh Patel. Ma'am, Radha Singh.
Okay, shh, wait. Alark Pratap Singh, Daksh Pratap, Harsh Patel, Aradhya. Any other name that I have missed? I have written Harsh Patel. Harsh Patel, I have written. Arsalan Khan, I have taken your name. Now I hope I haven't missed out any name. I have written all your names. Okay. Now, children, let's do this exercise once again. Now, what is that narrow passage of water that connects two seas? A narrow passage of water, yes. What is it called? Everybody say it is called a strait.
Straight.
Narrow.
Ma'am, straight.
Very good. It's called a strait. A piece of land surrounded by water.
Island.
Piece of land that is surrounded by water is an island. Then we have a low area of land between hills or mountains. What is that low area?
Valley.
Very good. It is a valley. Very nice. It is called a valley. Then a relatively high level ground. What is a high level ground? Plateau. It is called a plateau, children. A little high land. Okay. What is it? It's a plateau. Then a very large expanse of sea. What is a very large expanse of sea?
Ocean.
A piece of land surrounded by water or projecting out into a body of water.
Peninsula.
Very nice.
Peninsula.
Very nice. It is called a peninsula. Then we have large steep hill. What is a large steep hill?
Mountain.
Mountain.
M-O-N-U-A-T-A-I-N.
Very nice. Now, children, let's do the next chapter. This is closely related. Now, what is closely related? They are talking about two things which are closely related. Now, those two things can be animals, those two things can be mammals, those two things can be any kind of creatures. Those two creatures who match. They are very close to each other. So let's talk about them in the next chapter. Everybody put yourself on mute. Pratyaksh Rathi, Minha, Shaurya Tyagi, Harsh Patel. Pin drop silence in the class. Harsh Patel, Akshaj. Everyone put yourself on mute. Good. Now children see. Who are bigger and have longer legs, feet and ears? Now all of you must have seen rabbits. And there is also a version very close to rabbit are animals. They are called hare. Have you heard about it before? Hare? Yes. If you have heard, raise your hand. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So they live alive.
Page number 41.
Yes, everybody open page number 41. What is a hare? What is a hare and what is a rabbit? Can you tell the difference?
Yes, I can tell.
Yes. What is the difference between a hare and a rabbit?
Can I tell?
Yes. Tell.
Ma'am, I am telling that the rabbit has long ears and the hare has long ears. The hare's body is not similar to rabbit. It is look like a deer and it is fast and jump also. But rabbit is small and color white. And this animal has color than the color is brown. So this is the difference of between rabbit and hare. Ma'am.
Yes, beta, you have read out.
Ma'am, there are my book some problem.
What problem? What problem, beta?
Ma'am, there is I have writing mountain, ma'am, but there is also I have writing plateau. So, ma'am, the spelling of plateau is Plateau. So, ma'am, this is mountain is spelling Mountain. Ma'am, INT.
Beta,
Can
mountain.
you tell my question?
Mountain. Mountain. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks in between M and N, right? Are there 6 blocks between M and N?
लो मैचिंग कर लो अच्छा मैचिंग देखो मैम ने मैचिंग बनाई है
Excuse me.
Please put yourself on mute. What is this?
Ma'am, there are mountain spelling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blocks are here.
And M is written, N is also written in the beginning and in the end.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so beta, in between you have to write OUNTAI. It's correct. It's given correct.
Ma'am, this all I have done already.
Be quite
Plateau. And ma'am, plateau spelling
PLATEAU.
So, ma'am, there are mountain spelling also I, and ma'am, plateau spelling is T.
PLATEAU. It is also given right, beta. Why are you being confused? P is written and U is written in the end. Beta, wait, nobody will talk in between. Yes, the spelling is given. It is beginning from P and ending in U. Now, if what you have to write in between, LATEA and U is there. So that becomes plateau. What is the confusion? Tell me. Any confusion now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you written it correct now? Have you made the correction?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Now who is asking what? Now you can ask your question. Beta, don't speak in between. This is for everyone. It is not good to speak in between. I'm talking to somebody, I'm clearing his problems, and you are saying, ma'am, I have done this, I have done that. It makes no sense, na, speaking all these things in between. Now, can we move to the next chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who are bigger and have longer legs? Is it hare or is it rabbits who have got longer legs? Answer is hares.
Ma'am,
Then-
the answer is
And then is dolphin. Second is dolphin.
Have I read out the second sentence? Did I read out?
Dolphin.
Did I read out the second sentence? Who is answering the second one?
dolphin.
Have I asked you? Nobody will answer without asking. Let me read out the second one. You have seen the answers from the back and you are just picking out the answers. The next one. Who have prominent, longer beaks? Do you even know the meaning of prominent?
Ma'am,
The meaning of-
dolphin. Ma'am, dolphin.
Okay, Kanishka
Dolphin.
Yadav. Kanishka Yadav.
Which page number?
Kanishka, now you have to tell me. You are telling me the answer. Now you have to tell me the meaning of prominent. What is the meaning of prominent? Just explain me.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know, then you don't want to ask, ma'am, what is the meaning of prominent? Because the answers are given at the back, you have marked the answer and you are saying it. When you read any question, you should know the meaning of each and every word of the question. This is for everyone. Don't rush, don't run to give your answers. I am not at all in a hurry to get your answers. First, let me explain you the question. Who have prominent and longer beaks? It is porpoise or the dolphins. Now, what is longer? Everybody knows the meaning of longer. Right? Long, something that is longer than the other one. It is long. Now, what is the meaning of prominent? Prominent is something that is easily seen. Something that is easily seen. Now, in some animals.
question.
Yes, ask. Ask, beta.
Ma'am,
Ask
what
your
is the
question.
meaning of? Ma'am, what is the meaning of purpose?
Porpoise is you have done that chapter in English literature. This thing, the witches. You read it in the witches that porpoise is a sea animal. I am going to remove few children from the class who are not muting themselves. And continuously some background sound is coming from their houses. Porpoise is a sea animal which looks like a dolphin. That is a porpoise. So, which of the two have got longer and more prominent beaks? What is more prominent? Prominent is even clearer, which can be easily seen. Something that is prominent, which is easily visible. So, tell me, which of the, now tell me the answer.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Everybody has checked the answer from website. It's dolphins. Okay.
Dolphin.
Who have long pointed snouts shaped like a V? Who has? Is it crocodiles or is it alligators? Okay. Children, can you?
Snout. Ma'am, I know what is
Ma'am, what is the meaning of shaped?
alligator.
See. Now tell me what is the meaning of snouts? Who can tell?
I know.
Yes, tell.
Sir, ma'am, it's like nose. That
Yes.
dogs have nose.
Yes, it is a kind of a nose. Now see, if I tell you, if I show you the pictures of a snout, they look like this. Like how pigs have got. See, this is the one.
Oh my God.
Kind of a nose.
Yes, it is a kind of. Now this is snout. Now which
Alligators.
who have long pointed snout? Is it the crocodile or is it the alligator?
Alligator.
Okay. You have checked the answer at the back.
Ma'am, I don't alligator.
Beta, it is crocodiles. It is not alligator. Check the answer once again.
I have tell crocodile.
Yes, it is crocodiles. Everybody make this correction. Crocodiles have got pointed snouts.
Pointed snout.
Who have skin which looks wet even when they are out of water? Is it frogs or it is toads? Frogs.
Ma'am,
Frogs.
when we have to write in the chat box.
No, you don't have to write in the chat box.
पानी से निकलने के बाद भी उसको
When we have to write in the chat box.
जल्दी सूख जाएगा
Ma'am, what is the meaning of female?
Everybody be quiet. Put your phones on mute. Who have skin which looks wet even when they are out of water? Now, when frogs or when toads are out of water, then also they look wet. Their skin looks like it is wet. Which is it? What is it? Is it frog or is it toad? Is it frog? Even when a frog is out of water, it looks like it is wet. Then, who spend most of their lives in water and tend to have webbed feet?
I want to ask something.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of
Toads. Okay. Like we have
Ma'am, I have something.
one by one, I will solve
Ma'am, I
your
have
thing.
to say something.
Wait, one person has
Ma'am,
already
what
asked
is
a
the
question.
meaning of added?
Wait.
And what are toads?
Yes, now I'm answering the question, what are toads? Everybody else will keep quiet. Toad is also an animal that looks very much like a frog. Like we have rabbit and hare, they are both rabbits, we call them both rabbits. Similarly, toad also looks like a frog. There is slight difference between the two, which we cannot figure out. Toads are also animals like frogs. Yes, next question.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write in the chat box.
No, you don't have to write anything in the chat box. I'm telling you the answer of every question.
Ma'am, what is moth?
What is?
Moth.
I can't understand.
Ma'am, MOTH is moth. Ma'am, when class is going to be end. Ma'am, class is going to be end.
Yes, the class is going to get over soon. Better type in the chat box. I can't understand your question, what you are asking.
Tortoise.
Okay. Now, one girl was asking me, what do we mean by webbed feet? Webbed feet is, children see, like we have got fingers like this, right? We have got proper shape of the fingers, but have you seen the toes of a duck? They are all connected. They have skin in between. Have you seen? Those kind of feet are called webbed feet.
Ma'am, my question was too much.
What was your question?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what is moth?
Moth, M-O-T-H.
Yes, ma'am.
Moth is kinds of, they are like kind of mosquitoes and